Welcome to Chef Bimal Kitchen. Today we are making a soft, moist and delicious banana cake with ripe banana. Let's begin this recipe. I have taken 3 pieces of ripe banana and I am going to peel it and I am going to mash it with fork. Now I have taken half cup of butter and I am going to beat it in mixer. Now I am going to add 3/4 cup of sugar and I am going to mix it again. Now I am going to add 2 eggs, but I am going to add one by one. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and now I am going to add this mashed banana into this mixture and I am going to mix it gently. Now I have taken 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I am going to sift it. Now I am going to mix it well. Now I am going to add this mixture. And I am going to mix it very gently. Now I am going to add half cup of milk, but I am going to mix batch by batch. Now mixture is ready. Now I have taken one mold and I am going to brush it with oil. Now I am going to pour cake mixture into baking mold. And I am going to sprinkle 15 gram of walnut and 15 gram of raisins. Now I am going to bake it 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. So after 35 minutes you can see it is perfectly golden brown color. Now I am going to cool down. And I am going to cut it into slices. So you can see banana cake is ready. Now I am going to transfer it into serving platter. Our soft and delicious banana cake is ready. Serve it warm and enjoy with tea or coffee. Please like, share and subscribe for more easy recipe. Thank you for watching.